Hi everyone, this is Frank. I'm happy here today to bring you our new OS 2.0 for the control panel Max, and also some of the features I believe is very important share with you guys. The first one, let's look at the panel Max new OS 2.0. Instead of previously we have the rooms display, we now have the new front page with the device, the weather, and the music. We have displayed some of the most frequently used device and sync control here, and also it supports for edit and to delete or to add as well. To add a device you like to add, and also sync and some other cards here. So this is the change we made. And also a very important feature for the panel Max is when we are working together with the built-in intercom like this one. Let me show you how it works. When we press the button of the intercom, it displays for the answer or hang up. We answer it, and also say we can talk to the one on the door and we can choose to open it. So you can open the door.
Call ended.
Okay, one very important thing is that when there's no internet. Let's check this. I will pull out the internet port here. Okay, now it's no internet connection. And we have someone to press this again. It works as well. So this is very important. When internet is gone, we still connect to the intercom. And also you can open the door.